Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was a very happy day. Because I hit 100 subs. I'm so happy and thankful for your support. Today's video, I'm going to show you another command block hacks. This is from last video. It's so unique, you should watch it too. Okay, let's get straight to it. First, get command block. And now you have to stack it up 5 times. Like this. Now for the first command block. Move to the second command block. This is the second one. This is the third command block. Now the fourth one. And the last command block. Now you need to get bow and arrow.
There's an error while editing this video, hope you understand it. Thank you for your patience.
Now this is what it looks like. There's a sonic boom effect with the arrow. And when it lands, it's going to explode. As you can see. And maybe that's all from me today. Hope it's useful for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.